My dear friends, you know me. My name is Sushmita Singh, and I am the owner of Nanjil, Nanjil, wherein we make a lot of wonderful products made by artisans of India. And I was hoping to relaunch Nanjil about a year ago, which did not go as planned. But like they say, there is always a right timing for everything. And when, man plans, God laughs. So I am getting ready to relaunch Nanjil in a way that I aspired Nanjil to be when I started this company, which is working with uh, architects and builders to revamp homes and create very unique products and customize them for individuals who may want. So I am excited. I'm excited, and all this hard work has not gone to waste. And all my artisans who have worked relentlessly to create such beautiful wonders are also very excited. We are in 29 states and we plan to go global by ourselves this time. And Nanjil, thanks to Amazon, Nanjil already has a presence. But I have always wanted to work independently, and it just happened that I got that opportunity. So that's the latest update. I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited, and also I wanted to thank all of you for being so patient with me. I have been on LinkedIn since 2006. And before that, I used to hire from Orkut. Remember Orkut? And Facebook. So, this journey of meeting so many people, being instrumental in creating so many jobs in the United States and in India and globally has been short of a miracle, I would say, because you don't get to provide people opportunities where they can earn and pay bills and lead lives, travel, all that stuff. So I have been very, very fortunate, and also helping other organizations with their talent acquisition uh, and streamlining their sales channels, streamlining their implementing SAP success factor for organizations. All this, I mean, there I have done so many things in this lifetime that I just feel very, very humbled and very, very fortunate. And I want to thank each and every person who came into my life and made this possible for me, including all my previous um, companies and employers and what have you, because it's not easy to deal with someone, an alpha lady. So, but yeah, so I'm happy that we are going to go ahead, and InnoWorks and Nanjil both will be coming with a bang, coming back with a bang, and we are very excited, and we are going to start hiring as well. So if I see, I mean, one of my contacts, Doug Nussman, he is doing his bit by creating a meet of people who are looking for jobs and people who are like-minded, and he calls it job, uh, what? Job seeking sucks, something like that. Very funny. So I reposted that as well, if anyone else. So I would say, please be patient, please stay positive, don't give up. Uh, this layoffs, it's just a cycle. The cycle keeps on. Uh, you know, it's a circle. Life is a circle, profession is a circle. So everything that, they say, everything that comes around goes around and stuff like that. I even have a tattoo of karma. Um, but yeah, I'm happy, I'm excited. Thank you so much for your patience, and stay well.